How to fix iPhone low network problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and simply try to enable airplane mode and then disable it again, as this will refresh the network connection. So in settings, simply toggle on the toggle button for airplane mode and wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then toggle it off again. Next fix is simply go ahead and restart your iPhone, as a simple restart fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone, which also includes network glitches. See if your issue was fixed yet, and if not, then you can simply try to remove and then reinsert the SIM card, as sometimes the SIM card loses connection. So go ahead and turn your iPhone off and then use a SIM eject tool in order to remove the SIM card and clean it gently and then reinsert the SIM again, and your issue should have been fixed. If not, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Reset your network settings and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, in general, again, tap on About and go ahead and update any kind of courier update required, as courier updates improve network performance. Next, check if the network is down, as sometimes the problem is from the mobile network provider itself. So you can simply try to insert your SIM in another phone, and if the signal is still weak, then the network provider issue is at the fault. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then in settings again, tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as software bugs can cause signal problems. You can also try to change your network mode if your network is not fixed yet. So in settings again, tap on Cellular and then on Cellular Data Options. Further, tap on Voice and Data, and then you can go ahead and switch your network mode to 4G, to LTE, or 5G, or 3G. Also, if you are using thick metal cases, then simply remove the case and test the signal again, as sometimes thick or metal cases can block the signal. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone network problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.